Draw a rectangle with a circle. The diameter of the circle should be the bottom edge of the rectangle. The rectangle is the nose bridge, and the circle is the nose tip. Adjust the shape of the rectangle. The closer the nose bridge is to the nose tip, the wider the nose bridge will be. Draw an isosceles trapezoid and make sure that there is a little space between the bottom edge and the circle. Connect the corners of the isosceles trapezoid to the top of the nose bridge. These two triangles will be the sides of the nose. Draw two smaller circles at the corners and a triangle-like shape under the nose tip as the columella of the nose. Draw the nostrils from the convergent point of the columella and the nose tip, and draw the nose wings along the smaller circles. The areas you need to shade are the sides of the nose above the nose wings, the bottom of the nose wings, the columella of the nose, and the areas around the nostrils. You can erase the guidelines before shading so it won't look messy. Blur the edge between the nose bridge and the sides of the nose so the nose won't look stiff. I'm used to emphasizing the nose wings and the bottom of the columella and the nose tip with a darker pencil to make the nose pop. In three-quarter view, nose bridge's initial outline becomes a parallelogram, and the columella of the nose will curve. Most parts of the left nose wing and nostril will be covered, sometimes even fully covered. It all depends on the shape type of the nose. Shade the nose in the same way after finishing the outline of the nose. Draw two circles. One of them is a little smaller than the other, and place the small one slightly lower than the big one. The big one will be the nose tip, and the small one will be the nose wing. Draw an outline along the big circle to create the nose bridge, nose tip, and the columella. Draw the nostril from the convergent point of the columella and the nose tip, and then draw the nose wing. Finally, add shadows to finish drawing the nose.